Welcome! If you've ever wanted to share a special moment from your Instagram highlights with friends or followers, knowing how to copy the story link is a must. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to easily copy your highlight story link on Instagram. Let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all your stories and highlights. Once you're in, head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture or the person icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you to your own Instagram page, where you'll see your posts, bio, and of course, your highlights. Now, look for the Highlights section. It's usually just below your bio and appears as a row of circular icons. Each circle represents a different highlight you've created from your past stories. Scroll through these circles and tap on the highlight that contains the story you want to share. With the highlight open, you'll see the stories it contains. To get the link, tap on the three dots, sometimes labeled as More, in the bottom right corner of the screen. This opens a menu with several options. From the menu, select Copy Link. Instantly, the link to your highlight story is copied to your clipboard. You won't see a pop-up, but rest assured, the link is ready to go. Now, you can paste this link anywhere you want. Share it in a direct message, send it via email, or post it on another social media platform. Anyone who clicks the link will be taken directly to your highlight on Instagram, making it super easy to share your favorite moments. That's all it takes. Open Instagram, go to your profile, tap on your highlight, hit the three dots, and tap Copy Link. With just a few taps, you're ready to share your stories with the world. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips for making the most of your Instagram experience. Happy sharing!